Welcome! If you use Dropbox to store your photos on your mobile device, you'll love this quick and easy method to organize your photos by the day they were taken or uploaded. This feature helps you find memories faster and keeps your photo collection neat and tidy. Let's dive in and see how to group Dropbox photos by days on your phone. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, it's available for both iOS and Android. So make sure you're logged into your account to access your files and photos. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll find several tabs there. Tap the one labeled Photos. This tab is made for viewing all the pictures you've saved or backed up to Dropbox. Now, here's where the magic happens. At the top of the Photos screen, you'll see an option called Group By. Give that a tap. This will open up different ways to sort and organize your photos. Instead of scrolling endlessly or searching one by one, grouping them by date lets you easily browse through days, making it perfect for recalling events or trips. After tapping Group By, select the Days option. This will instantly reorganize all your photos, grouping them according to the exact day they were taken or uploaded. You'll see your photos neatly divided into daily sections, so you can scroll down and find images from a specific day without any hassle. This simple grouping makes navigation fast and helps you keep track of your photos in a way that makes sense chronologically. It's especially handy if you use your phone for taking lots of pictures or if you want to share photos from a certain day with friends or family. And that's all there is to it. Next time you want to browse your Dropbox photo collection on mobile, just open the app, tap Photos, select Group By, and choose Days. Organizing your pictures by day has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly organized photo gallery.